In front of me is HUAWEI P Smart 2021 NFC, and let me show you how to block a number in this phone. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, tap on more icon and go to blocked. And here you can smoothly set some call block rules and message block rules. Pick the one that you want to apply, and if you want to block some callers, just enter call block rules, and here you can block all incoming calls. Then you can turn it off. You can block all unknown numbers by using the switcher, and also all private withheld numbers. Then if you will open message block rules, you can block all unknown numbers, so you will not receive any messages from them. But I will go back. And this is it. This is how you can block numbers in your HUAWEI P Smart 2021, how you can enter block panel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.